Hello students, welcome to Quick and Digital Teaching System. I am a maths teacher and today we are learning Countdown 2. So before start our topic, I would like to advise few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefit from Quick and Digital Learning. So like and subscribe our school channel so don't miss any video. May watch multiple times video till find out the answers. So let's start our question and the question is ascending order. So in ascending order we can write smaller value then larger value. So in this box, first box, we can see the smaller value. So we can find the smaller value in this box. So 13 is small value. So we can write 13 first, then 44 is larger than 13, then 46 and 51, then 72 and 99 is much greater in the first box. Let's see second box. So you have six numbers 47, 54, 6, 8, 23 and 98. So in this box similarly you can write a smaller value then large value and larger than other values. So in this box 6 is much smaller than others, so we can write 6, then 8, then 23, then 47, 54 and 98. So simply you can write smaller values than larger values in descending order. Next part of this question, simply you have similarly 6 digits 17, 49, 11, 82, 32 and 6. So you can write a smaller value than larger value. So 6 is much smaller than others, so we can write 6, then 11, then 17, then 32, then 49 and last 82 is much larger value than others. So next part is also consist of six number of digits. So it is 7, 27, 14, 19, 78 and 86. So similarly we can write a smaller value than larger value. So 14 is much smaller than others, then 19, then 27, then 78, then 86 and 87 has much larger than others. So this is all about ascending order. Next question is put these in descending order. So in descending order, you can write firstly larger value, then smaller, and last much smaller than others. So in this box, we have values 14, 41, 66, 63, 37, and 68. So we can write larger value then smaller value in descending order. So we have firstly write 68, then 66, then 63, then 41, then 37, and last 14 because 14 is much smaller than others. So next part of this question we have also six digits in the box. So digits are 58, 77, 200, 99, and 49. So simply we can write these in larger value than a smaller and much smaller. So 199, then 77, then 58, and then 49, and last 2 because 2 is much smaller than others. Next part of this question, also we have box consist of 6 digits 17, 49, 85, 82, 32, and 6. So similarly you can write larger digit than smaller and much smaller. So 85 is larger than others, so we can write 85 firstly, then 82, then 49, then 32, then 17, and last 6 because 6 is much smaller than others. So next part and last part of this question, you have also box consist of six digits 39, 69, 98, 99, 93, and 92. So also you can write larger digits than smaller digits. So larger digit. So 99 is much larger than others. So we can write 99, then 98, then 93, 92, and 69, and then 39 because 39 is much smaller than others. So this is all about today's topic. So students, hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answers and write the answers in your summer vacation work within 24 hours to maintain your summer vacation learning as 10 marks included in your final term assessment. Hope you see in next topic. Thank you.